Good day. In today's video, we're going to be covering the hidden cost of a bad hire and why smart recruitment matters. Did you know that a bad hire can cost businesses up to 30% of the employee's annual salary, not even taking into account the team morale, productivity, and company reputation? In South Africa, the average cost of onboarding a new employee is around 30,000 Rand. Worse, you're still paying the underperforming employee their salary, even as productivity falls. Then, there's also the ripple effect. This includes time loss, impact on team dynamics, and potential reputational damage that could come from a bad hire. Time loss is quite a significant impact from a bad hire. This includes hours spent on interviews, HR processing, and training sessions, only to be wasted when they don't work out. Furthermore, when a bad hire leaves, the work that was supposed to be their responsibility has to be relocated, often resulting in critical delays. Poor performance or negative behavior by a bad hire can decrease team morale, job satisfaction, and collaboration. The added strain of managing an underperforming employee can lead to frustration and tension between colleagues. A team that isn't working well together risks a drop in overall productivity, be it errors in client deliverables or unprofessional interactions. These can tarnish trust and relationships. In today's competitive market, clients have more options, and one misstep could lead them to competitors. Rebuilding trust is no easy feat. In many cases, the damage to your company's reputation is long-lasting and can impact future business growth and partnerships. The CVQuest solution. The platform provides a seamless recruitment experience, simplifying the hiring process with robust candidate filtering and analytics. This reduces the risk of bad hires, improving hiring efficiency, and ultimately helping businesses avoid the costs and disruptions associated with poor recruitment decisions. Avoid the costly mistakes of bad hires. With CVQuest, you're investing in the right talent from day one. Save your company's time, money, and morale. Join CVQuest today. As we wrap up this video, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content.